have you ever had a friend like that he gets a tattoo on his hand and now all of a sudden he's like, on Instagram, he's like, that's how I feel ever since I've gotten white teeth. I feel 100 times more confident when I smile, when I'm out and about. So if you're struggling to get white teeth like I was, I'm going to be showing you all the tips and tricks of the trade that helped me get extremely white teeth, as you can see. I would not describe my teeth as virtually perfect, but coming from where they came from, obviously I'll be showing you guys before and afters of what my teeth looked like in prior videos and in prior pictures. I'll be showing you guys the before, after, and then I'll also be showing you guys a photoshopped image of what they would look like if they were virtually perfect. So with that being said, for the record, I drink coffee every morning. So if you've gotten into whitening your teeth, you've probably already heard, is baking soda and hydrogen peroxide. And although those are very cheap and easy to obtain products, and yes, they do whiten your teeth, I recommend them as more of, you need to see them and use them as products to retain your white teeth, but not to whiten your teeth. And coming from a person like me, I had extremely yellow teeth. My entire life, I had extremely yellow teeth. I just had really nice teeth as far as the structure, because I wore braces for 5 years. My teeth were not that messed up before. Okay, I know that I wore them for 5 years, but that's because my orthodontists were bastards. Okay, they lied to me. They were like, well, you're only gonna wear it for 1 year, little bud. I was there till like my senior year of high school, bro. Which, by the way, if you have braces, you can't do these tricks. And yes, hydrogen peroxide and baking soda will whiten your teeth, but it's gonna take a super long time. It's like, and especially if you, like I said, if you're like me, you had extremely yellow teeth, it's gonna take too long. So what I recommend are whitening strips of any kind. I'm not sponsored by Crest or any teeth whitening company. These ones that I have in particular, they are $40. If you didn't know this already, teeth whitening products are very expensive, but I do have a trick for that too. I know how to get these for 50% off the Mexican way, all right? Bueno.
¿Cómo estás, hijo?
Bien, estoy grabando ahorita. ¿Te puedo llamar para atrás?
Ándale, pues.
Okay, love you, bye. If you do want to show support to me and the channel, there will be an affiliate link in the description to buy these, probably from Amazon. And what affiliate means is that I get commission when you purchase these whitening strips using that link, but no pressure at all. If you have, your own that you want to get those by all means. So what I recommend doing to start is actually using hydrogen peroxide as mouthwash every night before you go to sleep. Some people are going to say, oh my God, that's hydrogen peroxide. That's gross. That's nasty. That's terrible. That's not good for you. Actually, if you look at any teeth whitening product, the main ingredient is hydrogen peroxide. So use hydrogen peroxide every night before you go to sleep as mouthwash. And then obviously rinse out your mouth with water because it does not taste good. And so I'm going to get into two types of way where you can save money buying these, because these ones right here I got from Target for $38. Ridiculous, right? Number one, only whiten the top part of your teeth. So actually, if you guys haven't noticed already, my bottom teeth are still yellow. They're still yellow. Like I said, I'll show better pictures, but they're still yellow because I've only been whitening the top part of my teeth. And that's because me personally, when I smile, I don't smile like a serial killer. I don't smile like that. Like I smile using only my top row. You feel me? So that's why I only started whitening my top rows. Because look, if I smile, it's only the top row. I don't smile like that. But if you notice while you're watching this video, when I talk, I tend to lower my bottom lip a lot. As you can see, like, look, if I just stay in a neutral position, you see the bottom row of my teeth. But now I'm at the point where like, okay, I know how to whiten my teeth now. Now I'm going to start whitening the bottom row. I recommend just start by doing the top so you get the hang of it. But also, if you really wanted to, you really want to be a cheap Mexican like myself, then what you could do is you can actually just cut the strips in half, because the strips are big enough to the point where they overlap your teeth and they go on the back side of your teeth as well. So what I do is I cut them in half and I put them only right here. And I do have a short video that I filmed, which I will insert right here. I'm going to show you guys how to get 50% off of any teeth whitening strips, and it doesn't matter where you buy it, and it works every time. So pull one of the strips out and grab a pair of scissors. Cut the strip directly down the middle. I'm not going to lie, I did a terrible job, but you get the point. So now instead of putting them on the back side of your teeth, you only put them on the front. You can't, look at that. You cannot tell me that is not a perfect fit right there. Besides, why would you want to whiten the back of your teeth? Nobody's going to look at the back of your teeth. Use your brain. Like, I don't care. You guys could judge me, say I'm Mexican. I just think I'm a genius, though. These ones, for example, you have to wear them for 30 minutes a day. What I've been doing, I've been wearing them for literally 3 hours a day. And I know some of you are going to say like, oh, that's not good. That's not healthy. It's going to leave your teeth extremely sensitive, blah, blah, blah. Me personally, it doesn't make my teeth sensitive. I've been wearing them for 3 hours, 2 hours at a time. But what I do is, okay, one day I'll wear them 2 hours at a time. They'll come out really nice. Then the next day I don't wear them. I'll make sure my teeth heal back because they do get sensitive. It will hurt to drink water. It'll hurt to even breathe air if you don't do it right. But that's what I recommend. And I recommend doing that if you have extremely yellow teeth like I did and you struggle to make them white. Wear them for a long time. Don't fall asleep with them, obviously. And the only thing you can do while you have them on is drink water. There's obviously other ways to whiten your teeth, like getting treatments. Those are very expensive in my opinion. There's no hacks to the treatments like this one, like cutting them in half, you feel me? So that's why I didn't want to do treatments. And I've done a treatment in the past. And speaking about the past, I've done a treatment in the past and tried whitening strips in the past. But here was my problem is I was not maintaining my teeth properly, which means I wasn't flossing my teeth every night, using the hydrogen peroxide every night, and also brushing my teeth with baking soda as well. That's where those products that I showed you earlier come in hand is use hydrogen peroxide as mouthwash every night. Because once I'm done with the pack of these whitening strips, those products are going to help me not make my teeth whiter, but they're going to help me keep my teeth white. Like I said, I drink coffee every day, but I drink it in a certain way where it doesn't hit the top row of my teeth. But I'm probably going to cut out coffee out of my diet pretty soon. And dark sodas also stain your teeth. So yeah, you can drink it with a straw, or you could drink it in like this really kind of strange way where like it doesn't hit your teeth. But obviously the best thing, the most ideal thing you could do is cut those things out of your diet completely. In this channel, I talk about how to be as attractive as possible, how to dress as nice as possible, how to carry yourself best as you can as a man or woman. You know, it goes for men and women. Also, like working out too. And see, this is where I messed up my first time trying to whiten my teeth. Is it's a lifestyle. Maintaining your appearance and your teeth is a lifestyle. It's not a one-time thing. You get one treatment, try teeth whitening strips one time and it's done. No, you got to maintain it every single day in and out, you know? I'm going to tell you something. I went from having really yellow teeth to, I was even considering getting veneers until I realized like veneers are literally like fake teeth. And like I said, I have really nice straight teeth. I wore braces for a long time. So it's like, I didn't want to put those 5 years in vain if I'm just going to shave my teeth and get fake teeth. So I just, obviously I went with whitening them. Also, veneers are extremely expensive and your boy ain't got no money like that. I'm over here cutting the teeth whitening strips in half. What do you think I am? And I do feel like it literally makes, this is going to sound ridiculous, but I do believe there is a psychological factor because I do to an extent feel like it has made me happier as a person because the fact that I want to smile more to show off my white teeth. I've never really been a really like smiley person, but now that I intentionally smile more, I feel like it's indirectly made me a happier person. I don't know if I'm just tripping placebo effect or what it is, but yeah. Anyways, I love you guys. Stay motivated and stay dedicated. Remember, like I said, most importantly, it's a lifestyle. It's something you have to maintain every single day. It's not a one-time thing. It's a lifestyle, just like changing your diet, just like working out, just like dressing nice. It's just like dressing nice. It's not a costume. It's not something you do one time. No, you got to do it all the time. But yeah, I'm going to end the video there. Thank you guys for being so patient with the videos. And I hope you guys like the new setup, the new microphone, lights, camera, action. You feel me? So I'm going to head out. And yeah, if you see me in public, I'm going to be like, all right, I'm just rambling at this point.